Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Season's greetings is the season of giving and sharing and receiving gifts. So I decided to gift myself this time for Christmas, and it's this amazing knitting machine. It's a Sentro knitting machine. Guys, this is more than a toy. It is amazing. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the comment section. Thank you guys for the love so far. Your super thanks watching my videos to the end. I love you guys so much for that. Let's get into this unboxing. So guys, this is what the box looks like. It has all the information you need, like pictorial details of everything you need to know about this. And yes, it is more than a toy. So let's open it up.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you.
So first of all, I love how they packaged this, because they did it in a way that it would be really safe to carry anywhere. So we have this transparent nylon that has the tools for this machine. Then we have our manual where we have everything we need to know. I'm going to be using it to fix some of the things, so I would need it later and now. Then it comes with 4 yarns. Guys, these yarns are actually good yarns in 4 different colors. So I have white, pink, blue and brownish gold.
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings.
And now this is what the machine itself looks like. It has 48 pins. It has the counter by the side. Even though I bought a counter, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at the end when I show you guys the other tools I bought for my crochet. And here's where you can change it from tube to panel. It's really easy. Just switch it up and down, and then this is the cranking wheel. So you just crank it, continue cranking. It's so easy. Now guys, I'm going to show you guys what is inside this nylon. So we have the legs first of all, so the stands basically. Then we have this suction cups that helps you, when you fix it on the leg, it actually sticks to wherever, like the surface that you put it on. Then we have the tension. It has the medium hole, small hole and the largest hole. Next up, we have the screwdriver for screwing down the legs to the machine. Then we have our knitting pin, so our crochet hook basically. I was so excited when I saw it in it. And then we have 3 different sizes of darning needles. Now I'm going to take my manual and look through it to see how I'm going to fix these legs. So how you fix it is you basically just put it in and then put your screw. It comes with screws as well, so you put in the screw and screw it with the screwdriver.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world.
Once all the 4 legs have been fixed, I'm now going to put my suction cups. Guys, this thing is hard to do. When I saw people saying it's actually difficult to put in, I thought they were just joking, but this is actually really difficult to put in. You have to put in a lot of energy.
Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat.
So I finally put everything in, and I'm going to just turn it upside down so that you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm going to put the tension here. This is where to put it. It's actually really easy to set up, and just like that, I am ready to create my projects. And guys, I also bought some knitting threads, so I ordered them as well, and I love it guys. It's amazing. And then I have these crochet hooks. Now they're like 2 in 1. So one crochet hook has two different sizes on it. That's amazing. And it's 10. So it's a set on, I got it on AliExpress basically. I'm going to link it in the description box if you want to get yours. And it's fabulous. So it comes as a set basically. And then I have the counter. Remember I told you guys I bought a counter with it. This is what the counter looks like. It's like a thumb counter. So it's really easy to, use. So once you just wrap it on your hand, clip it like a wristwatch and just keep counting. And then I have these pins, like safety pins basically for crochet. They are tiny, and this other round stuff, I don't know what they're called, but it came with the crochet hook set. And guys, that's all I have for this particular unboxing. It was really amazing. It's a really amazing equipment to have if you love to crochet. God, I love it. I love making things with it. I'm going to start making amazing projects with it, and I'm going to show you guys from time to time what I'm making and sometimes how I'm making it, because it's actually hard to film crochet, me making my crochet and stuff. But I'm going to start, creating those tutorials for you guys. And guys, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video as well, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section. Happy holidays, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.